The West Indies reached 286 for 5 at lunch on day 4 of their opening test against New Zealand in Wellington, trailing by 100 runs. The Kiwis declared on 520 for 9, with Tom Blundell and Colin de Grandhomme notching up centuries. In West Indies' reply, they reached 214 for 2, with Craig Brathwaite and Shimron Hetmeyer bringing up half centuries. Here are the highlights of the last session on day 3.
Let's have a look at the action since the tea break. Some great shots played by Hetmeyer. He's an exciting young player to watch. Brathwaite moved past 50. He's played great concentration, good stickability. So some expensive shots by Hetmeyer. Uses his wrist. In the end, it was his wrist that let him down. He went past 50 there. He got stuck in the bolt. That's a lovely shot down the ground. Flicked airily, but timed very well, and that is shot in the test match so far. But then, as I said, those wrists just let him down. Look at that. He's a little too paced at times. Just got through the shot a little early off Henry, and he had to go for 66. Hope and Brathwaite have got together. They've put on a partnership of 48 from 130 balls, 79 minutes. Exactly what the West Indies needed to make sure that New Zealand would not go bang bang. They had their chances. They had their half chances. They haven't put anything down, but they've had enough encouragement as well. Brathwaite very good. He's given any sort of angle outside the off stump. It was a bit of a heave-ho, but you're allowed those every so often. Just late in the day, that short ball started to cause some issues.
Meanwhile, the Jamaica Scorpions have picked up back-to-back wins in the WICB PCL Regional 4-Day competition after defeating the Windward Islands Volcanoes by 10 wickets at Sabina Park. After starting the day on 168 for 6, the Volcanoes added only 18 runs to their total and got bowled out for 186. Skipper Nikita Miller took 8 for 54 in the second innings, while Derval Green and Reynard Leverage also took a wicket apiece. Set a target of 35, the Scorpions raced to the target in 5.4 overs, with Trevon Griffith getting 24 runs off 20 balls, while John Campbell added 10 from 14. Final scores: the Windward Islands Volcanoes 200 and 186 all out, and the Jamaica Scorpions 352 all out and 35 without loss. The Scorpions will next be in action on Thursday when they take on Trinidad and Tobago Red Force, also at Sabina Park.